A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. By default, Bluetooth is installed on your Windows 10 computer, but you need to manually turn on Bluetooth each time you want to use it. You need to manually turn on Bluetooth each time you want to use it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Bluetooth on your Windows 10 and how to send and receive files using Bluetooth and other Bluetooth enabled devices on your Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your computer using your either password, PIN, or your unlock code, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on the type of Windows that you are using. Once you logged into your Windows computer, the first thing you want to do here is this. Click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left here, and then click on Settings gear icon. Once you selected the Settings gear icon, you'll be taken to your Windows settings page where you have different options to choose from. Here, you need to select Devices. Once you hit Devices, then on the left side, there is an option called Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure this is selected under Devices. And here, there is the Bluetooth function. So you can just tap Bluetooth. Once you turned on the Bluetooth function here, you should come to this Recent Show Notifications here, and you should see your Bluetooth added to the recent notifications. However, there is another way to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. So this is all you need to do. Just come here and click on new notification icon at the bottom right here, and you have all these options available here. There is a function called Bluetooth. Hit the Bluetooth function and you see Bluetooth not connected. Then your Bluetooth is turned on. How do you verify that your Bluetooth is turned on? Just right click on the Bluetooth icon and click on Go to Settings. If you go to Settings, you'll see the Bluetooth function turned on here, and instantly a new discoverable device with Bluetooth whose Bluetooth is turned on will come up here. Now, these are the two means you can use to turn on Bluetooth that is easy. You can also use CM, this is command prompt, to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows computer, but that is going to be a long distance though. You can use the settings or the new notification button to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows computer. Now, to send and receive files on your Windows computer, you need another device with a Bluetooth function. So here, I'm going to show you how to use another device, like maybe if you have an iPhone or you have another Android device that you want to use to send or receive Bluetooth files from your Windows computer. All you just need to do is come to your Android phone settings page and press and hold Bluetooth, then hit the More option. Once you hit the More option, you should see the name of your device here, and on your computer, you need to add a device as well. So let's click on Done here and click on Add Bluetooth Enable Device and select Bluetooth. Once you selected Bluetooth, this is going to make your device discoverable if you have not added it. But because I use my Android phone often to transfer files to my Windows computer using Bluetooth, I already have the device added here, and that is what you see here, Gadget Right, and that is the name of this particular Oppo Reno 5 device. Now let me go to my Android device, then go to Settings and make sure I am connected to my Windows computer by clicking on the name of the Windows computer on my Android phone. So once it is connected, you should see the device connected here. You can just repeat the whole process, otherwise you'll not be able to connect to your Windows computer using your Bluetooth enabled devices. Now, once this device is connected, next thing you want to do is you want to go to the file from your Android phone to your Windows computer. So let's say I want to send a photo. So let's say I just want to send this particular video. Okay. So let's say I want to send this file from my Android phone with Bluetooth function to my Windows computer. All you need to do is click on the share button at the bottom left. Yes. So once you click on that, then select Bluetooth function from the option available. So select Bluetooth. Once you hit the Bluetooth function, then your Android phone will search for all nearby Bluetooth function, then click on the name of the device. Mark you, this is not going to work directly. This is how it does. Come to Show Hidden and click on Bluetooth. Now click on Receive a File, then come back here, select the file, and then click on Bluetooth. Once you selected Bluetooth, select the name of your Bluetooth on your Windows Bluetooth name, and there you go. Once you selected that, you should see the Receive button coming up right here, and this file will be transferred from your Android phone to your Windows computer. So the time it takes to transfer files using Bluetooth from your Windows computer, from your Android phone to your Windows computer, depends on the size of the files. And once this file has been transferred from your Android to your Windows computer, the next thing you want to do is this. Hit the Finish button, Now the file will be saved to predefined location on your Windows computer, and you can also adjust this. Also, if you want to transfer files from your Windows computer to your Android phone using Bluetooth, this is what you need to do. Now come to this hidden icon, click on this, click on Bluetooth. Once you selected Bluetooth, click on send a file. And once you hit send a file, you should see the name of your phone that are discoverable, or Bluetooth enabled devices that are discoverable coming up here. Then here, I'm going to send this file to my Oppo Reno 5. Click on Oppo Reno 5 and click on the next button. So once you hit the next button, the next thing you want to do here is click on browse to select the name of the file you want to send to your Bluetooth enabled device. And once selected, click on next. And here you see connecting. If everything goes well, there should be a notification on your Android phone to access or to accept incoming file. You see this? So incoming file. This is incoming file. So if I choose to click on this, it might not open though, but this shows that a particular file is coming to my Android phone. Then once you click on it, you'll be prompted to tap on the accept button to accept this. Hit the accept button and there you go, sending. And you can also see the notification on my Android phone. So before you finalize this, you need to click on the finish button, then go to your gallery or swipe down and click on the Bluetooth notification. Click on this and then choose what you want to use to open this particular Bluetooth file on your Bluetooth enabled device, either Android or other devices. So I'm going to go with photos. So once you choose that, this is what you are going to see. So this is actually the file I sent from my Windows computer to my Android phone using Bluetooth. Mark you, if you want to send file faster on your Windows computer to your Android phone or other devices, Bluetooth is not the best way to go. It is advisable to use Link with Windows, the app on Bluetooth, and the function on Windows computer that can make you access all your files on your Windows computer using a single app. So guys, this is how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows computer and how to use Bluetooth on Windows computer to transfer or send and receive files from other Bluetooth enabled devices. If this is helpful, you want to hit the like button. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.